Hello students, today we are going to solve the questions which are remaining in exercise 12.2. At first, this is question number 3. Figure has already been drawn on the board. This is question number 3 of exercise 12.2. So in this question, just see a figure diagram has been drawn here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures are there, and we have to find out the area of this total diagram. So we will find the area one by one. At first we will find the area of this figure 1. So figure 1, area of figure 1. Okay, so just see how can we find it. Look here in this figure, this side, this shape is an isosceles triangle. This side is of 5 centimeter, so obviously this side is also of 5 centimeter, and this one is given as it is given 1 centimeter, so this one will be 1 centimeter. So we have to find out the area of this triangle by using the Heron methods, because three sides are available in this figure number 1. So at first find S, and you know the formula A plus B plus C by 2, and for S it is 5 plus 5 plus 1 upon 2. After this you will get 11 by 2. So S is 11 by 2 and now the formula of area of triangle, this is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now we have to put the value here according to the formula. S is 11 by 2, this one is 11 by 2 minus 5, 11 by 2 minus 5 and 11 by 2 minus 1. Now after calculation we will get these numbers. Here 11 by 2, LCM is there, so 11 minus 10. Again here 11 minus 10, and this one will be 11 minus 2. After this it will be 11 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 9 by 2. 11 minus 2 is 9. Take out the numbers out from the root side. Here is the 9, so 3 will be outside the root. 1, 2, 3, 4 2's are there, so 4 is there outside the root. Remaining thing is root 11. Okay. After this, it will be 3 by 4, the value of root 11. We have to find out the square root of 11, and in doing so, you know how to find out the square root. It will be 3.32. So just write here 3.32, and after multiplication 3 with 3.32, it will be 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 3 3 is 9 by 4. After getting the division it will be 2.49 centimeter square. So this is the area of the first figure. After this the second figure, figure number 2. So just take here the figure number 2. Figure number 2, let here the area of figure 2. Figure number 2 is a simple rectangle, and here the breadth is 1 and the length, I think it is given 6.5. Yes, this length is given 6.5 centimeter. So the area of the figure 2 equal to uh, base length into breadth, length into breadth, and it is 6.5 into 1, that is 6.5 centimeter. The figure number 2 has been done. Let us have the figure number 3, which is complicated, a little bit complicated. To get the area of figure number 3, we have to draw various methods are there, but whatever the method we are going to adopt here will be like this. We have to draw a line which is parallel to this one. Let us have a point here, and in doing so, this figure will be obviously a parallelogram, because we have drawn this line parallel to this. So this figure ABCD is a parallelogram, and in doing so, just see, if it is a parallelogram and this side is 1 centimeter, obviously this side also will be 1 centimeter, because the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. In the question, this side is given 1 centimeter, so obviously this one also be 1 centimeter, and this is also 1 centimeter. Obviously this is also 1 centimeter. So all the three sides of this triangle is of 1 centimeter each. So for the area of figure 3, so this triangle ABCD, let us have the triangle ADE is an equilateral triangle. So we will write the area of equilateral triangle ADE. This is ADE. Formula is half. No. Formula is √3/4 A square. A means side. So this is the formula to find out the area of an equilateral triangle, and just use this formula, √3/4. Side is 1. So 1 square. It will give us √3/4. So this is the area. But to get the area of this trapezium, which is ABCE, ABC is a trapezium. So to get the area of this trapezium, we need to find out the height, because in the formula of trapezium, area of trapezium, we need to have the height of this trapezium. But in this question height is not given. So therefore we will try to find out the height of this triangle, and whatever the height of this triangle will be same the height of this trapezium. So try to find out this one. Okay, it will be the height, and whatever the height of this triangle will be same to the height of this trapezium. So let us find the height of this triangle. So how can we get? As we have already get the area of the triangle, and we know that the area of triangle equal to √3/4. Area of triangle also formula is half into base into height. In the base we will take this one EM, and this length is 1 centimeter. So half into base, and height is not given, so h is written here, and this is √3/4. In doing so, we will get √3/4 into 2, and this one is crossed here. So h equal to √3/2. We have the value of h. After getting the value of h, now we can get the area of this entire trapezium. So right here, area of trapezium. Formula is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 into height. Base 1 is 1 and base 2 is 2. Height is √3/2, and it will give us 3√3/4. 3√3. So 3 into 1.73/4, and after multiplying this we will get, just see the multiplication, 3 3 are 9, 7 3 are 21, and 3 1 are 3 and 2 5, 5.19 by 4, and after the division we will get 1.297, 1.297 upon only 1.297, and we can write this as 1.3 meter centimeter square. So now we have the area of figure number 3. Two figures are remaining, figure number 4 and figure number 5. So to get the figure number 4 and 5, just see, if figure number 4, area of figure number 4 and figure number 5. For area of figure 4 plus 5, obviously these two figures are equal, therefore at a time we can get the area of both this figure. So these are a triangle and height and base of both are given, as because there are two triangles, so 2 into 1 by 2, base is 6 and height is 1.5. So 2 and 2 is cancelled out and it will give us 9 centimeter square. So now we can get the entire area of the figure. So area of the given figure equal to, first was 2.49, then second area was 6.5, third was 1.3, and 4 plus 5 is 9. So after getting the addition we will get 3 plus 5, 8, 8 and 9, sorry. So after getting the sum it will be 19.29 near about. So we can write 19.3 approximately, and this is the answer. So we have done question number 3 here. Let us move to question number 4. In question number 4, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and same area. A triangle is there, एक triangle है और एक parallelogram है, दोनों का एरिया सेम है और दोनों का बेस भी सेम है, एरिया भी सेम है, बेस भी सेम है, तो बतानी है कि उस पैरेललोग्राम की हाइट क्या होगी। देखिए एक ट्रायंगल है और एक पैरेललोग्राम, तो कुछ फिगर बनाते हैं, फिगर विल बी लाइक दिस, एक पैरेललोग्राम और एक ट्रायंगल। तो एक पैरेललोग्राम है और एक ट्रायंगल है, दोनों का एरिया सेम है। ट्रायंगल का साइड्स दिया है, ट्रायंगल का साइड है 26, 28 एंड 30, 26, 28 एंड 30। तो इस तरह से हम लोग सबसे पहले ट्रायंगल का एरिया निकाल लेंगे। तो ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल। ओके, तो फॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 and AC is 26 plus 28 plus 30 by 2 and 8 plus 6 14, 3 4 to 6 to 8 by 2 and equal to, this is 42. Now for the area, formula should be written at first, and after writing the formula value will be put here. So S is 42. Now this is 42 minus 26. 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. This is 42. 42 minus 26 is 16. And 42 minus 28 is 14. And this is 12. Now get the factorization. 42 to, after dividing 2 it will be 21. 21 is 3 into 7. 16 is 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. And 14 is 2 into 7. 12 is 2 to the 4 3 is 12. Now make the pair. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 2 will be outside the root sign. And 3 is 1, 2. So 1, 3. After 3 it is the 7. 1 and 1, 2, 7. So 1, 7 will be out. Now 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 16 3 is a 48. 48 into 7. 336. So the area of this triangle is 336 centimeter square. Okay. As it is given in the question कि area of this triangle and area of this parallelogram is equal. So if they are equal, so we can write like this. According to question, area of parallelogram equal to area of triangle. So the formula is base into height for the parallelogram, and already given the area, already we have find the area of triangle, that is 336. Base is known to us, it is 28, but height is not known. So let us find the height. 336 by 28. Okay, just divide by 7. 7 4s are 28 and 7 4s are 28. 5 and 6, 7 8s are 56. After this is 12. So height is 12 centimeter. Answer. We get the height here. Height of the parallelogram. Now the next question, this is question number 5. This question is about a rhombus. In this question, a rhombus is given. So a rhombus is there, and this rhombus is rhombus shaped field. It has the green grass for 18 cows to graze. एक फील्ड है और उसका शेप रोम्बस का है. उस फील्ड में जो ग्रास है वो 18 काउस के लिए सफिशिएंट है. इफ इस साइड ऑफ द रोम्बस इज 30 मीटर एंड लॉन्गर डायगोनल इज 48. तो एक रोम्बस बना है. रोम्बस के सारे साइड इक्वल होते हैं. तो ये रोम्बस है, इसके सारे साइड है 30 मीटर के. साइड्स 30 मीटर के है. एक डायगोनल जो है, लॉन्गर डायगोनल, वो है 48 मीटर का. लॉन्गर डायगोनल है इसका 48 मीटर का. अब हम इस रोम्बस का एरिया निकाल लें, और इसका एरिया निकालने के बाद फिर हम देखेंगे कि क्या करना है. 18 काउस को ग्रेज करने के लिए देना है, तो एक काउ को कितना मिलेगा, दैट मीन्स इसको पूरे एरिया को 18 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. तो पहले एरिया निकालते हैं. एक देखिए इसमें ये साइड 30, ये साइड 30, ये 48. एक ट्रायंगल शेप हो गया, इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया हम निकालेंगे, लेकिन इसका भी एरिया वही आएगा जो इसका होगा, साइड सेम है दोनों में। तो हेरोन मेथड लगा के दोनों का एरिया निकालते हैं एट ए टाइम। तो सबसे पहले निकालें एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. So S equal to 30 plus 48 plus 30 by 2. S equal to 108 by 2, and that is 54. Formula area of triangle S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. S की जगह पे 54, so 54 minus 30, 54 minus 48 and 54 minus 30. 54 into 24 and 54 minus 48, 6, also 24. फैक्टर करें इसका, 54 का 2 से किया 27, तो 3 3 जा 9 इंटू 3 27, 24 का 2 इंटू 2 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24, 6 के लिए 2 3 जा 6 और 24 के लिए फिर से 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 3 जा 24। क्या क्या रूट से बाहर आता है? 2 कितने हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 4 बार 2, 3 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 बार 3 6, 3 टाइम, 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, 3 जा 48, 48 into 9, 48, 432। तो एरिया है 432 मीटर स्क्वायर एक का। दोनों का एरिया निकालना होगा हमको, तो लिखेंगे हम एरिया ऑफ फील्ड इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 432 and it will gives us 864 मीटर स्क्वायर। लेकिन 18 काउज थी क्वेश्चन में और बताना था कि हाउ मच एरिया ऑफ ग्रास फील्ड विल ईच काउ बी गेटिंग। एक काउ को कितना एरिया मिलेगा, तो लिखेंगे हम एरिया ऑफ ग्रास ईच काउ विल गेट इक्वल टू 864 बाई 18 काउज थी क्वेश्चन में। तो अब इसको क्रॉस करके देखें, 18 पहले 2 से किया तो 9, 2 से किया तो 432, तो 9 है, 4 बार जाएगा, 9 4 जा 36, 7 9 8 जा 72, सो 48 मीटर स्क्वायर। एक गाय को 48 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया ग्रेज करने को मिलेगा। तो ये था क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नहीं था, सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर ये 5 था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखते हैं, जिसमें एन अम्ब्रेला इज मेड बाय स्टिचिंग 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस ऑफ क्लॉथ ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट कलर्स। एक अम्ब्रेला है और वो अम्ब्रेला में 10 ट्रायंगुलर पीसेस है, जैसा कि आपको फिगर में दिख रहा है। 2 तरह के क्लॉथ्स हैं, 2 टाइप्स ऑफ क्लॉथ्स ऑफ कलर, ईच पीस मेजरिंग 20 50 50 मीटर सेंटीमीटर। हाउ मच क्लॉथ ऑफ ईच कलर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द अम्ब्रेला। तो अम्ब्रेला के लिए बताया गया है कि जो अलग अलग 2 कलर है उसके कितना कितना कपड़ा लगेगा। तो टोटल 10 इसमें ट्रायंगुलर शेप है, तो 5 5 दोनों का होगा, एक का निकालेंगे। तो करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को हम लोग। स्ट्रेट वे में एरिया निकालेंगे ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर पीस, वन ट्रायंगुलर पीस। एस होगा a प्लस बी प्लस सी बाई 2, और ये साइड्स हैं 20 50 50, 20 50 और 50 बाई 2, 120 बाई 2, that is 60। फॉर्मूला वैल्यू पुट करना होगा 60, 60 माइनस 20, 60 माइनस 50 एंड अगेन 60 माइनस 50, 60 minus 20 is 40, 60 minus 50 is 10 and 10। फैक्टर करना होगा इसका, तो 60 के लिए हमारा फैक्टर बनेगा 2 से ले जाओ 30 बचा, 30 को 2 से 50, 3 और ये 5, 2 2 जा 4 3 जा 12, 5 जा 60। 40 का भी करें 2 से, 20 बचा, 20 को 2 से किए तो 10, फिर 10 को 2 से किए तो 5। यहाँ भी 2 बार 10 है तो इसको फैक्टर भी कर सकते हैं, तो 2 इंटू 5 और 2 इंटू 5। अब कितने 2s हैं? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 2s। तो 7 में एक 2 बच जाएगा, 6 के लिए 3 बार 2 बाहर। 3 कितना है? 1, एक ही 3 है। 5 1 2 3 4, 4 है तो 2 5 बाहर, अंदर बचता है एक 2 और एक 3। 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8, 8 5 जा 40, 45 जा 200, तो 200√6 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ये आया एक ट्रायंगुलर पीस जो अम्ब्रेला में है उसका एरिया। तो 2 कलर है और टोटल 10 पीसेस हैं ट्रायंगुलर शेप में, ट्रायंगुलर पार्ट। तो 5 5 का होगा, दोनों कलर है। तो हम लिखेंगे कि एरिया ऑफ ईच कलर इक्वल टू 200√6 into 5, that is 1000√6 centimeter square. So this is the answer, this is the solution of question number 6, and this is all for today. Thank you.